Welcome to the Stress Relief Meditation. In this video, I will guide you through a relaxing and soothing practice that will help you calm your mind and body. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down as long as you feel relaxed and supported. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, letting go of any tension or worries with each exhale. Now bring your attention to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest. Feel the warmth and love that radiates from this place. Imagine that you are breathing in and out from your heart, filling yourself with peace and compassion. As you breathe in, say to yourself, I am calm. As you breathe out, say to yourself, I am relaxed. Keep breathing in this way for a few minutes, feeling the positive energy flowing through you. Now shift your attention from your breath to your body. Scan your body from head to toe, noticing any sensations that are present in each part of your body. Start with the top of your head and slowly move down to your forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, chest, back, abdomen, hips, legs, feet, and toes. As you scan each part of your body, notice if there is any tension, pain, warmth, coolness, tingling, or numbness. Whatever you feel, just observe it without judging it or trying to change it. If If you encounter any discomfort or unpleasant sensations, breathe into them with kindness and compassion, and breathe out any stress or negativity. Now bring your attention back to your breaths. Gently take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Finally, bring your awareness back to your heart center. Feel the gratitude for this time that you have given yourself to relax and recharge. Thank yourself for taking care of yourself and honoring your needs. You can also thank anyone or anything else that has supported you or inspired you today. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Slowly open your eyes and smile. You have completed the stress relief meditation. I hope you enjoyed it and feel more calm and relaxed now. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon.